Hello and welcome to somewhere very cold and very wet, but what I do have is the all-new Kuga. With LED lights as standard from the titanium model upwards, an elongated bonnet to make it look even more special, and a newly designed grille, doesn't it look delicious? With a longer body and a longer chassis for more space inside for people, and also up to 1400 cubic litres in the back, there's space for everything that you're going to need. New alloy designs to keep you looking on top form wherever you go, and the option of a massive sunroof. The Kuga's prepared for anything you throw at it. Lots of people carry lots of things. The Kuga's got you covered here. Hands-free power tailgate. Easy peasy. If you live in the real world, chances are that you've opened your car door on something that you probably shouldn't have. Now the all-new Kuga's got you covered. Firstly, with keyless entry, you simply touch the handle, with the key on you obviously, and the car unlocks. Secondly, the door edge protector pops out, protecting you for those little chips and dents. Genius.
The all-new Kuga has a brand new Sync 3 system within the vehicle. It's nice and easy to navigate for yourself, the driver, and for your passengers to see as well. Coming alongside, it's also got the front and rear cameras to the Kuga as well, with the front camera having a 180 split, so you can also see out of these tricky tight spots. Along with the active park assist to help get you in and out of these spaces, makes it really easy to use. Now to the brand new 12.3-inch digital cluster screen for the driver, again with the choice of 5 selectable driver modes such as Eco, Normal, Sport, Slippery and Snow and Wet as well. It's really easy to use, and also as a nice little feature, changes the graphic and the background of the display as well. For me, the most convenient thing about the new Kuga is the LED heads-up display. It's nice and easy to use. You can see your speed in front of you. You can also get your navigation come up and the speed in the area that you're driving through as well. Rather than looking around, it's nice and easy just to see straight ahead. You've got everything there that you need. So on a day like today, it's not exactly the warmest. The heated front and rear seats are doing wonders for us. Again, you've also got the heated front steering wheel as well. The new Kuga also comes with adaptive cruise control. Just from the press of a button here for you, it'll automatically set to a distance in front, so i.e. a vehicle on, let's say, a motorway or an A road. When that vehicle speeds up to a set distance, it'll also speed up, and when it slows down, the car will also slow down as well. It will come to a complete standstill and then will set off again. So if you're on a motorway and you've got a tired leg after a long drive, it can actually set you off along with you setting a max speed. But keep a lookout on the road, of course.
Now you may be wondering about space in the back. Even the tallest person is going to be okay in here. With adjustable back seats, there's legroom for all. The all-new Kuga will be available with a variety of different engine options. You of course have petrol and diesel, but for the first time ever, plug-in hybrid and all-electric engines are coming. You're going to need one of these.
So now that you've seen the all-new Ford Kuga and what it has to offer, the only thing you've got to do now is book a test drive at Birchwood Ford in Eastbourne, Halland or Hastings.
The only thing we've got to do now is decide who's going to drive it back. Well, I've got a coin. Yeah.
Right.